Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will gonna discuss about top 10 romance anime 2020 with Love and Hate Relationship Part 2. If you are new on this channel, be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon. It's motivate me to keep uploading new videos and running this channel. And if you enjoy this video, then please show love by likes and comments. So without wasting any more time, let's get start this video. On number 10, we have Rent a Girlfriend. Dumped by his girlfriend, emotionally shattered college student Kazuya Kinoshita attempts to appease the void in his heart through a rental girlfriend from a mobile app. At first, Chizuru Mizuhara seems to be the perfect girl with everything he could possibly ask for: great looks and a cute and caring personality. Upon seeing mixed opinion on her profile after their first date, and still tormented by his previous relationship, Kazuya believes that Chizuru is just playing around with the hearts of a man and leaves her a negative rating. Angry at her client's disrespect towards her, Chizuru reveals her true nature. Sassy and temperamental, the complete opposite of Kazuya's first impression. At the very moment Kazuya receives news of his grandmother collapse and is forced to bring Chizuru along with him to the hospital. Although it turns out to be nothing serious, his grandmother is ecstatic that Kazuya has finally found a serious girlfriend. Which had always been her wish. Unable to tell her the truth, Kazuya and Chizuru are forced into a fake relationship, acting as if they are truly lovers. Number 9, we have Rikekoi. It is widely believed that science can provide rational explanation for the countless phenomena of our universe. However, there are many aspects of our existence that science has not yet found a solution to and cannot decipher with numbers. The most notorious of this is the concept of love. While it may seem impossible to apply scientific theory to such an intricate and complex emotion, a daring pair of quick-witted Saitama University scientists aim to take on the challenge. One day, the bold and beautiful Ayame Himura outwardly declared that she is in love with Shinya Yukimura. Her philological and level-headed scientist, acknowledging his own lack of experience with romance, Yukimura questions what factor constitute love in the first place, and whether he is in love with Himura or not. Both clueless in the dealing of love, the pair begin to conduct detailed experiments on one another to test the human characteristics that indicate love and discussion.
雪村くんも私が夢に出てきたことがあるって言ってたわよね。夢の中で私と何があったの？
Whether they demonstrate this trait toward each other. As Yumura and Yukimura begin their intimate analysis, can the two scientists successfully apply scientific theory with the help of their friend to quantify the feelings they express for one another? On number 8, we have 3D Real Girl. For Hikaru Toshitoi, life within the two-dimensional realm is much simpler, socially inept and awkward. He immerses himself in video games and anime, only to be relentlessly ridiculed and ostracized by his classmates. Sharing his misery is Yuto Itoi, his only friend who wears cat ears and is equally obsessed with the world of games. After being forced to clean the pool as punishment for arriving late, Tasui meets Iroha Igarashi, but he attempts to steer clear of her as her notoriety precedes her. Brazenly blunt, loathed by female classmates, and infamous for messing around with boys, Tatsuya believes that getting involved with her would cause nothing but problems. 3D Kanojo Real Girl is a story revolving around these two outcasts, a boy full of emotion as he never experienced before, struggling to lay them bare, and a girl who strives to break him out of his shell.
ジョーロくんが好きなの。なんでここ だけ定番イベントよりにもよってこいつだけ
俺はこれが終わったら優しくて包容力のある美人で巨乳の女の子と出会ってイチャイチャするんだよ。
ならやっぱり私ね。
全然ちげえだろうが絶壁ブース。
Number 7, we have Orishuki. Amasio Kisaragi, bracket Joro, is a completely average second-year high school student who has 2 dates over one weekend with the student council president Sakura Akino, bracket Cosmos, on Saturday, and with his childhood friend Ai Hinata, bracket Himawari, on Sunday. Sadly for Joro, both girls proclaim their love for his best friend Taiyo, bracket Sanchan, the ace of baseball team. Accepting each of their requests for advice and guidance, he is now responsible for helping the two girls win the heart of same guy. Unknowns to his friend, Joro's friendly and obtuse image is all but a ruse desiccant.
君の親友の大賀太陽君が好きなんだ。
What?
To cast himself as the clueless protagonist of a textbook romantic comedy. A schemer under his cherry facade, he makes the best of this
私はジョールの親友のサンちゃんが好きなの。
unexpected turns of event with a new plan. Get Sanchan to fall for either Cosmos or Himawari and take the other as his own prize. But Juro's last-ditch effort is threatened by the gloomy, four-eyed Sumiriko, bracket Pansy, who surprises Joro with not only her knowledge of his secret personality but also a confession to the true self he did for all this time.
ジョーロ君が好きなの。
なんでここだけ定番イベントよりにもよってこいつだけ
Stuck in this hilariously messy situation, each of the 5 students must navigate countless lies, traps, and misunderstanding to come out on top.
本当お前嫌い。
そう、私は大好きよ。
On number 6, we have Masamune Ku no Revenge. When Masamune Makabe was a child, he was rejected by a rich, beautiful girl named Aki Adagaki, who gave him the nickname Piggy for being overweight. Devastated, Masamune put great effort into working out to improve his appearance. Now a handsome yet narcissistic high school student, Masamune is determined to exact revenge. He will have Aki fall madly in love with him and ultimately reject her the next time they meet.
あら、マー君ご機嫌ね。キモ。
To his surprise, Masamune discovers he has transferred into Aki's school. Setting his plan into motion, Masamune first began to form a relationship with the brutal princess. But despite his effort, fails miserably at his initial attempt. Shockingly, when Masamune finally progressed toward his wedding, he receives a mysterious letter addressing him by his old nickname. Unless Masamune discovers the sender identity, his plan is doomed before it even starts. On number 5, we have Hajimete no Girl. Following a prank pulled by his perverse friends, Junichi Hasiba asks a girl out in an attempt to change the fact that he is a hopeless virgin.
お願いですどうか俺と付き合ってください
キモ。
Yukane Yema, the girl in question, is disgusted by Junichi's groveling. However, through a series of teasing remarks, she soon finds herself bonding with him and ultimately accepting Junichi's confession. And much to his surprise, Hajimete no Girl follows Junichi's as he overcomes his lack of self-confidence and suppresses his sexual urges, all while thrust into a whole new school life full of lively girls and unpredictable mayhem. On number 4, we have Fuka. Yu Haruna just moved into town and loves to use Twitter. Out on his own way to buy dinner, he bumps into a mysterious girl, Fuka Akatsuki, who breaks his phone thinking he was trying to take a picture of her panties.
置いてって言ったじゃない。
ちょ
まだ
How will his new life change now? On number 3, we have Twin Star Exorcist. Magano, a parallel realm filled with monsters known as Kagare, is a place where all exorcists deal with all impurities. Banua the Shino is a prodigy exorcist who is recognized for her strength and is summoned to Tokyo by the Exorcist Union. On her way, she plummets into the arm of Rokuro and Mado, a young exorcist with a troubled past. But the impurities of Megano do not rest. When these two exorcists witnesses a couple of children stolen by the Kagare, Banyu races to save them, dragging Rokuro along with her into Megano. Engaged in a fight, she is on the verge of being defeated in. Banyu then saved by Rokuro, revealing himself capable of being her rival in talent.
救急如律治療
Twin Star Exorcist tells the story of two talented exorcists who are destined to become the Twin Star Exorcist and the prohistoric parents of the Miko, the reincarnation of Ebonosema, who will cleanse the world of all impurities. On number 2, we have Nishikoi, Raku Ichijo, a first-year student at Boniari High School, is the sole heir to an intimidating Yakuza family. 10 years ago, Raku made a promise to his childhood friend. Now, all he has to go on a pendant with a lock, which can only be unlocked with a key which the girl took with her when they parted. Now, years later, Raku has grown into a typical teenager, and all he wants is to remain as uninvolved in his Yakuza background as possible while spending in his school days alongside his middle school crush, Koshaki Onodera. However, when the American Beehive gang invades his family turf, Raku's idyllic romantic dreams are seen for a class toss as he is dragged into frustrating conflict.
なんせこいつらラブラブの恋人同士だからね
Raku is to pretend that he is in romantic relationship with Chutonage Kirosaki, the beautiful daughter of Beehive chief, so as to reduce the friction between the two
ボ
groups.
ス本当ですかああ僕らが認めた仲だ
Unfortunately, reality could not be farther from this hoping lie. Raku and Chitoge fall in hate at first sight as the girl is convinced that he is the pathetic pushover, and in Raku's eyes, Chitoge is about as attractive as a savage. On number 1, we have Spice and Wolf. Horo is a powerful wolf deity who is celebrated and revered in the small town of Pachaloi for blessing the annual harvest. Yet years goes by and the villagers become more self-sufficient. Holo, who stylized herself as the wise wolf of Yoshuo, has been reduced to a merc tale. When a traveling merchant named Kraft Lawrence stopped at Pachaloi, Holo offers to become his business partner if he eventually takes her to her northern home of Yoshuo. The savvy trader recognizes Holo's unusual ability to evaluate person characters and accept her proposition. Now in the possession of both sharp business skills and a charismatic negotiator, Lawrence inches closer to his goal of opening his own pawn shop. However, as Lawrence travels the countryside with Holo in search of economic opportunities, he begins to realize that his aspirations are slowly morphing into something unexpected.